It's fall and pumpkin time here at Pasquesi Home and Garden, and time to add some pumpkins to your landscape and indoor decor. We've got a couple ideas to help you display them maybe in a little different way this fall. First of all, give your pumpkin a longer life with special treatment. Clean off the outside using a water and a teaspoon of bleach per quart of water, or a teaspoon of mild detergent per quart of water. I like to use the mild detergent because I feed these to the animals after the holidays, so I don't want to make them sick. Just wipe off the water, make sure you cover all sides and the bottom. Once your pumpkin is carved, and I like to use an ice cream scoop because it really helps you get that debris out quickly and easily. Consider spraying the inside as well. This will help kill any bacteria, again, extending the life of your carved pumpkin. Then get out the vegetable oil or Vaseline and then just seal up any of those cut edges. That helps hold the moisture in so that your pumpkin lasts longer. And be sure you carve a few drainage holes in the bottom. That way water won't sit on the bottom, which could be bad for your plant and for the pumpkin. I like to set a potted plant in my pumpkin because that way the pumpkin lasts longer, and once it decomposes, I can lift it out. Just hold that pot over your pumpkin, mark that size of the hole you need, remove the lid, and set it in. Now you've got a pumpkin planter. Kind of a unique way to display mums, asters, ornamental peppers, all kinds of fall plants. A gardener the other day told me she carves out her pumpkin and uses it to cook her soup and serve it at her gatherings. So just carve it out like we did before, clean out the inside with using just soap and water, and then rinse it clean. Fill it with your favorite soup, set it in the oven to warm. When it's ready, serve it up to your guests in their own individual pumpkin bowl. It's a great way to add a fall flavor to those meals. And don't forget about succulents. They're the perfect size plant for the smaller pumpkins. Again, we cleaned out the inside, added drainage holes, but we planted this succulent in the soil directly. Your pumpkin won't last as long, and so when the pumpkin does decompose, we need to take it out, pot it, so we can continue to enjoy our succulent. And last but not least, don't throw away those pumpkin seeds in the compost pile. Instead, roast them. Rinse off the debris in cold water, spread a single layer on a baking sheet, roast it at 350 for 30 minutes, add a little sea salt, and you've got the perfect fall snack. Any leftovers, save them in an airtight container. These are just a few ways you can add pumpkins to your fall celebrations this year. Have a great season.